No, I am going office today.
Or later, yeah?
No, I'm going now.
Oh, you going to office there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going for gym or something. Your office is used to be a town or is still not there? Not anymore?
No, I'm not in town anymore. I moved
Oh,
from
you
town.
move over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Very quiet road. Nobody on the road.
Yeah, nobody on the road. People don't like mornings anymore, uncle. That's the problem.
Yeah, no, there is one thing, and also it's no school, you know.
Yeah, and people like sleeping, uncle.
I think nowadays people like to out in night time.
Yeah.
Night time busy. I saw the taxi.
People sleep late, wake up late.
Oh yeah, exactly.
You know? Alrighty, so this time 8 o'clock, I've just got into the office. I'm now gonna start my day in work, basically. But this time until 9:30 is usually the busiest. The reason it's the busiest is because the clients are usually just getting into the office around this time, and so they've got like 15-20 minutes free where, you know, they're having a cup of tea, having a little cake, a little rusk, a little breakfast, whatever they're having basically. And so this time I usually spend in just catching up with the clients, finding out what's going on and everything like that. 9:30, let's catch up then, and then I'll keep you updated with how the rest of the day is gonna go. And by the way, we've got a special guest coming today as well. Okay, so I've done the morning work and the admin work that I needed to do. I've sent some CVs over, and now I need to send some more CVs over to clients. I need to find more people because one of my clients came back and they're like looking for 4 or 5 people. But we've got a guest in today, Abu Saleh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now I'm gonna leave his link, YouTube channel in the description below. He actually started his channel 2 weeks ago. When did you start your channel?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. And he speaks about productivity and, you know, he speaks about some good stuff. So I definitely plug him down below. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, show support because that's what we do out here. But I'll let you guys know. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys the studio and what I'm doing with it and why I'm wearing these clothes right now. Okay, so the reason I'm wearing these clothes is because I need to paint the studio. Basically, we're changing this up. This is now the right side of the wall. If you guys remember from like my studio, basically the checkered Illuminati stuff was going on this side, and I'm gonna paint that brown. That is gonna be, let me show you guys. This is gonna be that brown. So I'm doing that painting stuff today. Obviously, man's gotta make the studio a lot better and do what I gotta do. So make sure to check the studio out once it's ready. Inshallah, this video is gonna be out on Thursday. And you know what? I might even paint this and show you guys how it looks at the end of this video. Inshallah. I'm gonna do that. Why not? And so now I'm gonna go back, look for more CVs. Clients are going crazy. They're on the phone. They're on my back. They're saying we need people. So I need to get on and get going with that basically. So inshallah, let me go bang some work out now and I'll show you guys the studio later on when it's finished. No, subhanAllah, I was editing the video and I saw this little clip. And basically the day I was recording this video, I didn't even realize my mother, she actually had an appointment and I had to go to hospital, I had to pick her up. And you know, it got me thinking and it made me realize, alhamdulillah, man, like it just being there for your parents is such a blessing. Being able to pick your, you know, mama, being able to pick your father up from the hospital, you know, just being there for a doctor's appointment and understanding if everything's okay and everything's not okay, you know, that's beautiful. And like, I know it makes my parents feel so much better and they feel like there's an element of support when I'm there with them. And this part was, yeah, man, it was nice. Like really reflecting back on it, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for all of us to be able to serve our parents. Like, trust me, you want to be in a situation where you can serve your parents. But yeah, man, reflecting back on when I was editing this out, it was nice. It was nice that I could just go see my mom, pick her up, drop her home. Alhamdulillah, everything's okay. And I was able to come back to work and carry on.
Sorry, this person comes up.
He's fair, I've got a guy, but he's got immigration issues.
That's alright. We'll make a passport.
Shall I ask him?
Yeah, we'll make his passport. What, is he in Crawley? How are you meant to place a guy if he's got immigration issues?
No, as in, he, I should really know this, innit?
What? You're not really speaking, are you?
No, as in, he's on a visa, innit? And then he needs to extended if he gets the job and this and that. But
Are you speaking?
from Nigeria?
Are you speaking English? Right. That's what I want to know.
Sounds decent.
Yeah. Fair play.
Yeah.
37 and a half hours.
Yeah. That's fine. Much hours as possible, I reckon, at the moment.
Okay, well, they don't do overtime at the moment, but to be fair, I think it's 37 and a half hours, and it's 20,000 depending on experience. So, look, I'm happy to send your CV forward, but obviously you're just going to have to impress them in an interview sort of thing.
Alright.
Is that alright?
So interview-wise, what? I don't know. How do you reckon I could impress an employer?
I just if you come across energetic and you come across, sort of you want the job and you come across, as long as your sort of personality, you want to work hard for the job, yeah, you should be fine.
Yeah, then I'll be fine.
Have you just woken up, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you said that because you just sounded a bit sleepy at the moment, so I didn't know if this is how you normally sound or if you had just woken up.
Yeah, I'm literally laying in bed.
Okay, yeah, fair play.
I came across.
Oh, listen, should we get treats? I'm feeling a bit of a dessert, cheeky little dessert. Talking to you? Oh, listen, should we get their dessert? Matop. Babini? Hi, Abby. You're supposed to have Frank for you. You alright? Okay, so it's coming up to like 5:40 now, and where most people are probably logging off. I have to be honest, man, we need to pray Maghrib, and then I'm back on it trying to find more CVs for clients. The CVs I sent in the morning, like, it turned out only one of them ended up getting the job. They need more people, and so I need to find more CVs. So yeah, I'm going to be back at pray Maghrib and then back on it trying to find more CVs. I'm going to try getting home for 7 o'clock. I've told the missus make some food, and inshallah, hopefully we can log out by about 7 o'clock today. Okay, so it's now 7 o'clock-ish, 6:45. We're logging out. This joke man's still on the phone. Thinks he's doing work. Came to work today at 12 o'clock. He thinks he's sick. But we're gonna shoot off, inshallah. And this video is gonna be live shortly. Make sure to subscribe, like, share with your family or friends. And that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.